today is 75th birthday of Mr. Vijay Patil. So we are going to celebrate with a small cake cutting ceremony. Come on!
Happy birthday, Baba.
Where is the song?
Happy birthday from your dear Viru and Aru, from your dear Mama and Pappu. Happy birthday, dear Baba. Happy birthday to you.
Very good, very good, very good. Clap, clap, clap. Hello. Now we will start the cake cutting.
त्या बाबूच्या हातात मोबाईल द्यायचाच बंद करायचा. बाबू काही बघणार.
Chala. Now you can cut the cake. It's the 75th birthday. Hey, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pappa. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. पुढे बोला दीदी. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
आईला पण गरबा.
Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
कशी आहे टेस्ट पप्पा? ओके, दिस इज न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंट. आपण आता नवीन ठिकाण केक
Happy
आणले.
birthday to you.
Okay, now we will celebrate. So, how is the taste of the cake? Very nice.
Yes.
आईनी पावती दिली म्हणजे संपला. चांगलाच आहे. Very good. So, thanks to Sonali Cake. Wow. It is really yummy and tasty. So, this is our first round. So, today's specialty is this is what? Onion bhaji? Onion bhaji, yeah, and this is potato bhaji. So this is the special menu which made by I along with the cake we will enjoy. Come on.